Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that's been making waves in the world of home cleaning, the Shark AV753 ION robot vacuum. We found this impressive vacuum online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Shark AV753 ION? It's a Wi-Fi connected robot vacuum designed to make your cleaning routine easier and more efficient. With its sleek gray design, this robot vacuum not only looks modern but is packed with a variety of features tailored to tackle a range of cleaning challenges around your home. Let's talk about some of the standout features of the Shark AV753 ION. First off, it comes equipped with a Tri-Brush system, which includes a bristle brush, a soft brush, and a channel brush. This trio works together to capture dirt, dust, and pet hair from multiple surfaces, be it hardwood floors, carpets, or tiles, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Another great feature is its Wi-Fi connectivity. This allows you to control the vacuum through your smartphone using the Shark app. You can schedule cleaning sessions, set up specific cleaning zones, or even control it remotely. Plus, it's compatible with voice assistants like Alexa, making it super convenient to start cleaning with just a simple voice command. One of the highlights of the Shark AV753 ION is its impressive 120 minutes of runtime on a single charge. This means it can cover a significant area of your home before needing to recharge. It also features smart navigation technology, which helps it avoid obstacles and efficiently map out your living space, ensuring no corner is left untouched. Now, who is this robot vacuum suitable for? The Shark AV753 ION is perfect for busy professionals, families with kids, and pet owners. If you have a hectic schedule and struggle to find time for cleaning, this robot can take that burden off your shoulders. It's also a great option for those with pets, as the powerful suction and specialized brushes effectively pick up pet hair and dander, keeping your home clean and fresh. Let's dive into some practical use cases. Imagine coming home after a long day at work to a clean living room. You can set the Shark AV753 ION to clean while you're out, and when you step inside, you'll be greeted by spotless floors. For families with kids, this vacuum can be a lifesaver. It can easily tackle the crumbs and spills that come with having little ones around, giving you more time to spend with your family rather than cleaning up after them. Additionally, if you have a multi-level home, the Shark AV753 ION is designed to handle different surfaces with ease. You can let it transition from hardwood to carpet without a hitch, which is an essential feature for maintaining cleanliness across various flooring types. In conclusion, the Shark AV753 ION robot vacuum is a versatile and efficient cleaning companion that brings convenience and ease to your home. Its advanced features, including the Tri-Brush system, smart navigation, and Wi-Fi connectivity, make it a top choice for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. Whether you're busy with work, managing a household, or dealing with furry friends, this robot vacuum can help keep your space clean and tidy. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.